up to me all the time and tell me that they don't think they're funny. And you're funny. I guarantee everyone listening to this is funny, and you can make other people laugh because you do. I guarantee everyone, no matter how dry you think you are, you have made a loved one laugh. You made someone laugh around the dinner table. You make your kids laugh. You make your partner laugh. You make your friends laugh. It's all relative. You when it comes to being funny, you don't have to be Jerry Seinfeld. You just have to be that version of yourself. And so when you go into the office or when you step on a stage or just in front of the conference room to make a presentation, try to channel the person that you are with your friends. When you deliver material or when you think about when you're speaking to your team, try to be a bit more conversational. Try to imagine you're talking to people you like. But try to try you have that side of yourself already. Try to be conscious of that and try to have an at least an element of that personality in your work life.
What's happening next for you, and where can people? Um, I know
I'm gonna
you've
have
just.
some lunch. Um, I am. People can find me at the website. That's where to find
Yeah,
everything that's going on with me, or on LinkedIn. I'd love to connect with anyone watching on LinkedIn. I mean, if you're watching on LinkedIn right now, it's even easier. But I'm always happy to connect with people on LinkedIn, and I do post, and I found that to be a great way to share bits and pieces as I sort of figure out how to share what I know.
yeah,
So I do share quite a few tips and tricks and ways to um, well, be funnier and more engaging in your own life.
I love that. Beth, thank you so much for being in the spotlight today.